Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I prepare myself for a big event. So tomorrow is our Christmas party. It's December 14. So right now it's 5 a.m. and pupunta ako sa gym. So before attending an event for like 5 days, grabe nga preparation for me. Like, pumupunta ako sa gym and yung skincare ko. So, at least you guys have an idea. So, today is Friday and ngayon lang ako mag-film kasi ngayon ko lang naisip na i-film yung mga preparations ko. Tomorrow, I'm just so excited. Wala lang. Mag-chikaling ko sa inyo kung saan ako ka-arte kasi sobrang arte ko talaga, guys, kung mag-attend ako ng event. Christmas is the only event na parang, Christmas party is the only event na parang nilululook forward ko, nilululook forward ko sa office, since yan lang naman talaga, hindi naman, not like when you're still student, mayroong acquaintance party, students night, mayroong ganon, but if you guys are working, di ba, murag Christmas party lang dyan yung i-look for, because I know the event might be boring, but the fun would be in dressing up. So, you guys, come eat breakfast with me and go to the gym with me. Charot. Hindi pa ako naligo, guys. Hindi pa ako naligo, mga day. So, I look like this in the morning. So, tara. Let's go to the gym. I'm gonna show you guys my preparations. Kung sa ka-arte dyan. My God, ka-arte ba ni mo, day? Wala mong gihapon. Hindi mo bago imong naong. Charot. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye! So, time check, it's 5:22 and right now I'm eating breakfast. Nag-apply po ako ng eye patches para sa aking under eye para hindi puffy yung eyes mamaya sa gym. So, right now, this one is my breakfast. Tuna sandwich, as usual, tuna sandwich. Dalawang ganito. And for 5 days straight, I am drinking Bello collagen powder milk. Para siyang gatas. So, yung flavor niya is melon. It has hyaluronic acid. So, for 5 days straight, I'm drinking collagen powder because minimix ko siya sa milk ko. Because it's a collagen booster and napansin ko na my skin, mas naging super duper effective yung laxant pag nag-drink ako ng collagen powder. Pwede din naman yung ibang brand, yung Watsons. You guys can try any brand basta as long as it's collagen drink. Pag walang event, parang twice a week lang ako nag-take nito. But if may event for 5 days straight, I'm taking this one. So, ang arte, diba? Sobrang arte ko talaga, guys. Because, you know, importante talaga yung skin natin. Na makita ng mga people na parang dun sa event, oh my God, goddess! Parang ganun, day. So, parang, yo, kahit hindi ganun kaganda yung dress ko, at least maganda yung skin ko. So, let's take good care of our skin. Masarap din naman siya. Mahal lang. I think it's 50 or 90 something pesos. So, Watsons ko binili, guys. So, yun lang, diba? Yung mga kaartihan sa buhay. Ang dami kong kaartihan talaga. I know I'm a high maintenance person, but at least I maintain myself. I don't ask for someone else's money to, you know, to maintain me. Okay. Nag-vlog ko. So, today is Friday and I'm very busy. Right now, I'm going to the gym. After that, salon treatment, magpapa-wax ako and mani-pedi, and then after that, I have a shoot this afternoon here sa bahay. Fun shoot. And makeup, and I'm gonna attend a birthday party tonight. So I'm done warming up and right now we'll proceed na sa among program. Nagkakapoy. Ako lang mag-isip. Gagawa tayo ng protein shake. So right now, nasa bahay na ako and I'm gonna make some protein shake for me para mugawas ang muscles. So I have a photo shoot today with Andito kami sa Ocean Bloom and I'm so excited. Hair and makeup and styling, yours truly, charot lang. It's raining guys. Grabe na ako kabisi, hindi ko na na-vlog yung pag-makeup ko. I know that. Everyone, so nasa bahay na ako and tapos na ako mag-photo shoot and mag-attend ng birthday. So right now, let's go straight na sa aking skincare. So this one, ito yung skincare ko for the whole 5 days. So tomorrow na yung event and right now yung i-apply natin is itong teeth whitening strips. Sobrang arte ko, diba? Para white atong teeth sa mga pictures. So binili ko to sa Watsons. Ewan ko kung may ganito dito sa Butuan. Pero sa DAVAO ko to binili. So, may 4 na ganito. 4 na pair of strips. And then, for 200 something pesos. So, let's wipe our teeth. Ang hirap. So, it looks like this. Ang hirap magsalita. So, tinatanggal ko to tomorrow. Like, bukas, pagising mo, pwede mo na siyang tanggalin. Pwede, It says here na dapat 1 hour lang, pero since gumastos ka naman lang din, friend, itodo mo na. Bukas mo na tanggalin. So, we are going to apply face mask on our face. Ito yung ginagawa ko. Okay, so 15 minutes is over. Tissue. Ang hirap magsalita because I have my teeth whitening strips. So right now, let's bring Relaxant Gluta Caps. 3 capsules. Oh my gosh. As in like 3 capsules. Kasi bukas na yung event, so triple dose tayo mga te. Oh my gosh. And then after that, I'm going to apply lotion. I am using St. Ives Renewing Collagen and Elastin body lotion. Wala lang. Mag-lotion tayo because to moisturize our skin. So right now, since matutulog na ako guys, I am using this one. Like fresh from Japan. Sa Japan to binili. Like may siyang 40 degrees Celsius. Like when you, for example, when I peel this one off, it looks like this. Para siyang sleeping mask. So, pag pinipeel mo siya, you're going to feel na parang umiinit siya. Manginit ang iyahang kaning square. So, when you apply it on your eyes, sobrang init niya. Yung parang nakaka-relax siya ng mata until you fall asleep. Parang ganon. Nafe-feel ko na siya. Like, uminit na siya, guys. Like, it's hot already. So, matutulog na ako. Like, mag-beauty rest na ako mga day, and I will see you guys tomorrow when I wake up. Tomorrow is a big day and I need to rest. Ang dami kong ginawa ngayon. Like, I really need to sleep na mga day. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye! So, today is Saturday. This is the day. I'm so excited.
Eternity later.
Next!
Who's the chick? Nick, cause I got plenty. T-shirt niya at pants ay black, tas pink na panty. Binaba ko sa sahig, tapos siya ay nilamig. Yumakap siya sa akin habang siya'y kinikilig. Di niya rin mapigilan ng init kong
Ako ganda.
Hello everyone, so last night was insane and I'm just so happy nga save me. Nag-Supremo me, nag-party and tequila and all, JD, Coke. So right now we're staying here at Oasis and I'm so happy I'm with my friends. So thank you so much for watching. Wala nang katarong og vlog. I hope you guys love this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram account. Simple rin siya nga vlog. Kaya nagka-whirla na ang tanan. So, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!